Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing an unboxing of the new iPad Pro 2020. Here it is. It just came today. I'm super excited. I've been waiting for the past 5 days for this to arrive. So here I have the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 4th generation Wi-Fi and cellular and 256 gigabytes. I decided to get the 12.9 one just because I do use my iPad for video and photo editing, and I wanted to use a bigger screen to make sure I'm doing everything I want to do on it, as far as multitasking, as far as I want to make sure everything was clear and crystal. And so I decided to get this model, this version, this size. So yeah, let's get right into unboxing it. Now mind you guys, this is not a tech channel. I did do an unboxing of my AirPods, but like I said in that video, this is not a tech channel, so don't expect regular tech content, but I don't mind doing a few things like unboxings or like an update type of thing. Wow, this is too exciting. Fun fact, one of my earliest videos back in 2008 or 9 maybe, the iPod Nano. And that was like one of my first videos that ever got like over 1,000 views, which I was shook by. I was like, excuse me, what? Yo, this box do not want to open up. Yo, the feel of this, the weight of it is not intense, but like, I'm kind of shook. The 2 cameras on here and the LiDAR sensor. This is the space gray, the Apple logo on there. Okay, so in the box we got literature, as people call it. It should have a SIM card ejector, Apple stickers. Yep, SIM card ejector. I got the LTE version because I find it useful to have service all the time. So that's why I got LTE with Sprint, which is also how I'm paying this off. It's monthly, so it's a little easier to get now because I can pay it off little by little. We have that. Then we have our charging brick and our cable. Yes. Oh, and that is it. So I want to show you the size difference between my current iPad Pro from 2017. This is a 10.5 inch. This is the 12.9 inch. That size difference is unreal. Look how big that is. Look how large this is. Now let me compare it to my first ever iPad, which is the iPad 2 I got in 2011. I still have it. I forgot what size this was, but look how tiny that is. Look how archaic it looks with the large bezels and everything. Sorry for the fingerprints, it's kind of dirty. It doesn't get used at all. But this is my very, very first iPad, which when I got it, I was like, I'm never really going to use this like that, besides like media consumption. But I use this a lot for other things, and unfortunately, it only lasted me maybe 4 years, 5. I mean, it still works, it still comes on, but it's sluggish. After a few updates, I want to say in 2014, 2015, it started acting a fool. Then again, this is an archaic device. It's only 16 gigabytes, which is 256, which I wish I would have got 256. Not in this version, but in my 2017 iPad, I wish I would have gotten 256. Otherwise, I would have got this if I didn't do that. 64 gigs is not enough for content creators, for photographers, for people who make videos. It's not enough to get stuff done in a timely manner. It's not enough to keep things on here. So I decided, yes, I need to get 256. I need to get a bigger screen just to kind of make my workflow a bit better, faster, and easier. So yeah, let's turn this on. There it is. I'm going to open up the case I got. I got this basic case off of Amazon. It also arrived today, so I'm excited for that. Pro case, iPad Pro 12.9 inch 2020. Okay. So as a place to hold your Apple Pencil if you have one. I don't, but if I did get one, it can go right up in here. I got this because it has like a protection for the corners. Now I may invest in a more sturdier, more premium case down the road, maybe, but I want something to have for now. I mean, I'm not going nowhere because, you know, we're stuck in the house, so I don't need an industrial protective case that will protect it in the wild because I ain't going nowhere. And yeah, so I got this case, so let's put it on here. Yo. Okay, it does make it heavier, but that's fine. Oh, it's real heavy. Oh, dang. I didn't think, because this case by itself doesn't feel that heavy, but like when you put this on this iPad, Oh my goodness, I'm about to break my back holding this. Let me stop being dramatic. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching my unboxing of a new iPad Pro. If you guys want to see what's on my iPad, what I plan on doing with it in another video, please let me know below. Like I said, I'm not a tech channel. Otherwise, I would have 2 cameras, a whole thing, but I don't do tech reviews or unboxings usually. But if you guys want to see that, I can, so just let me know. Yeah, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.